This video from Sam4S Help, we're going to demonstrate how to deactivate the amount tendered being compulsory on your cash button on the ER-900 series of registers. So in this video I'm using the model 940, but the process or the programming protocols will be the same on any machine in the range. Whenever I do any programming videos, I just put a disclaimer at the start. Please watch the video all the way through and make sure you understand the end result rather than just copying exactly what I do, because these machines are quite advanced and there's lots of different ways you can set the programming. So I might program my button in a certain way and you might be able to use the video, but you might want yours tailored slightly differently. So I'm working off page 119 in the manual. I mean, to be fair, this is a really niche video because you'll have had to, if you want to deactivate this setting, you'll have had to either have paid someone, a cash register dealer, to have set it up in the first place, or you'll be familiar enough with the tills to have done it yourself. Possibly you've done it by accident. So let's have a look at how mine's set up. So if I put a sale through, so I'm in the reg mode, ring a sale through, £22. If I try and cash the sale off, customer's handed me £22 in cash. If I press the cash button, I'm getting a warning required amount error message because the machine is set to force the cashiers to type in the exact amount of money tendered. So it'll work if the customer's handed over £25 in cash. If I enter 2500 and then press cash, then the sale works and it displays the change. So it's a deliberate feature of the machine. It's not on there as default. If this is happening on yours, it means that someone has either deliberately or accidentally programmed it. I'm now going to show you if it's not for you, you can deactivate it really simply by following the flowchart on page 119 of the ER-900 series programming manual. Basically, we just want to return the button back to factory default settings. So to do that, you need the metal key marked P, and you need to turn it around to the PGM position. So you've got program mode on the display, and then you type in 70, so 70, then subtotal, and then you enter the function status for the button, which is 5 zeros. We've got 5 zeros entered in. They won't display on the screen, but as long as you press the 0 button 5 times in a row, that's fine. You then press the actual cash button, which you're programming, and then you press it again to confirm the program. It's slightly confusing when you're doing the cash button, but it's always the final button you press in the programming. So that's the flowchart I've been following on page 119. We went 70, subtotal, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, cash, cash. The receipt's printed out to confirm that we've changed the status of the cash button to 0. And then if we turn the key round to reg mode, enter our sale again, it'll now let us just tender, or let us just press the cash button. You can still tender an amount. So if we've got £5.50, we can enter £10 cash, but it is no longer compulsory. If you want to reactivate that function or programming it on your machine for the first time, there'll be a video appearing on screen now showing you how to set the function up, because it's a slightly different code you enter, and I'll explain a bit more about how the programming works. So yeah, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER-900 series of registers, which you're welcome to check out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.